So today I had a chipboard drawer that the front had broken off altogether. So I was trying to figure out how best to fix it. So what I had to do was take off the rails. There are 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, and the other rail. And that allowed me to set it on a flat surface. And then there was no way to reconnect this back to this because all the chipboard, as you could see here, it's all torn off. So what I had to do was I cut another piece of wood to fit this opening. I put 2 screws on the side here and 2 on the other side to hold it together. And then I took the front, which is this piece here and this piece, and I put 2 screws in it here. And that made it pretty strong. It's not going anywhere. The only way it'll break again is if it breaks out from these points here. So this will give me a little more time. I couldn't really find one easily to purchase and this dimension, and something that wasn't overly expensive. So that's what I ended up doing. So I just gave it another backing and screwed the sides on and screwed it on, and I think it's good for another few years. Any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.